It's a 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLS. The powerful bi-turbo engine and 9G-tronic automatic transmission with shift paddles are complemented by the capability of 4MATIC all-wheel drive and dynamic select for a performance character befitting of this luxury leader. The cabin is equally refined with heated front seats with driver's side memory, 60/40 split second-row seats with easy entry, and power-folding third-row seats. The satisfaction continues with a power liftgate, attention assist, crosswind assist, and moonroof. GLS gives you what you deserve, more. Get behind the wheel today. Here's a 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLS. The standards set by the GL class meld with the standards set by the S class for another step forward in luxury. The interior is richly appointed with wood trim, heated front seats with driver memory, and a moonroof. Dignified performance from the bi-turbo engine, 9G-tronic automatic transmission with shift paddles, and 4MATIC all-wheel drive is supported by the safety of crosswind assist, attention assist, and trailer stability assist. It's just as luxurious in its ease with a power liftgate, 60/40 split second-row seats with easy entry, power folding 50/50 split third-row seats, and remote start for a ride free of burden. This is luxury without limitations. Take this GLS for a test drive today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top-quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.